Welcome to the LLB 344 Intellectual Property Teach the Class video series. Hi, I'm Isobel Larkin. In this short video, we will consider what is a dramatic work. In doing so, we'll look at the decisions of Green and Broadcasting Corps of New Zealand and 9 Network Australia Proprietary Limited and ABC. To start off, we'll need a basic idea of what copyright is and what it does. Copyright is a property right to stop others from copying your artistic expression. The copyright owner has a number of exclusive rights over their copyright subject matter. The law protects forms of expression which are sufficiently embodied in material form. It does not protect ideas. For copyright to subsist, it must fall within one of the 8 categories of subject matter set out under the Copyright Act. These include works and subject matter other than works. Our focus today is dramatic works. The Copyright Act does not define dramatic work, but Section 10 subsection 1 states that it includes a choreographic show or other dumb show and a scenario or script for a cinematograph film. In Green, the plaintiff Hughie Green was the compere of a British television talent show called Opportunity Knocks. The defendant was a corporation who broadcast a similar show in New Zealand, and Green claimed that this amounted to passing off an infringement of his copyright of his scripts and dramatic format. In the dramatic format formulation of the claim, Green claimed that his title, use of a device called the clapper-meter, using sponsors to introduce competitors, and a few stock phrases constituted the dramatic format of Opportunity Knocks. First instance, Green's claims were dismissed, so he appealed the decision. On appeal, the Privy Council stated that copyright will not subsist in formats where they are no more than a general idea or a concept for the program. As we learnt earlier, copyright does not protect ideas per se. The Privy Council held that there was no sufficient unity or coherence for Opportunity Knocks to be a dramatic work to exist under copyright law, nor was it a literary or musical work, and so Green's appeal was dismissed. In 9 Network Australia Proprietary Limited and ABC, the extent of exclusive rights granted to a broadcaster in return for payment was considered. 9 Network contributed $450,000 towards the Sydney City Council's New Millennium fireworks display. The ABC intended to broadcast the celebrations. 9 Network commenced interlocutory proceedings in an attempt to restrain the ABC from broadcasting the fireworks display, the lantern parade that was to take place along Sydney Harbour, and the decorations on the Sydney Harbour Bridge. Although the arguments could not be heard in full, Justice Hill decided that 9 Network's argument was weak. His Honour said the weakest part of Channel 9's argument was the claim that copyright existed in the dramatic work originating from the fireworks schedule. Justice Hill considered 2 issues with regard to the fireworks. Firstly, His Honour thought it doubtful that the fireworks schedule would fit within Section 10, subsection 1, which we looked at earlier. So if the fireworks schedule doesn't fit there, could it be a dramatic work within the ordinary meaning of the words? Justice Hill said he had not formed a concluded view, but stated he thought there to be difficulties with this argument also. So what about material form? His Honour questioned whether the ultimate fireworks show really is a material form of what was planned. This is due to the random and chaotic nature of fireworks, which could result in the ultimate performance being different to that of the planned sequence in the schedule. To summarise, a dramatic work is a work which is intended to be performed or represented. There must be sufficient certainty of subject matter. The work must be in material form, though there's no need for it to be in writing. This will likely not include something that is random and chaotic, like the fireworks in 9 Network and ABC. And the work must have sufficient unity to be capable of performance, unlike Green's TV show concepts. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video.